Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, staring deeply at yourself and wondering, am I still the same person I used to be? Not the devoted mother, not the gentle grandmother, not the woman constantly busy with daily responsibilities, but you. The woman who once smiled joyfully at her reflection, who used to hold her head high and confidently step outside with her hair dancing in the breeze. As time passes, age confronts us with inevitable changes. Deep wrinkles forming at the corners of our eyes, skin no longer as smooth and taut as in our youth, and silver strands, adding both charm and a hint of vulnerability. In today's video, I'll share with you 3 simple yet incredibly effective hairstyles that can make you look at least 10 years younger in an instant. These are timeless beauty secrets that no mature woman should miss. The meaning of hair for women over 60. Hair is not merely a part of our appearance. It is a powerful symbol of identity and a silent storyteller of every woman's life journey. For women over 60, hair holds an even deeper meaning. It becomes a mirror reflecting maturity, experience, and the quiet beauty shaped by all the ups and downs of life. Throughout the years, our hair has followed us through every phase: youthful passion, the busy decades of raising a family and building a career, and now the peaceful moments of our golden years. That's why, at this stage in life, changes in our hair are more than just aesthetic. They signify acceptance, celebration, and a reclaiming of our personal narrative. Many women over 60 may begin to feel concerned when they notice graying strands, thinning hair, dryness, or difficulty styling as before. But the important thing is this: your hair should never be a burden or a source of insecurity. It should be treasured as living proof of a life well lived. Choosing the right hairstyle that suits your current features, not to look younger or deny your age, but to honor your elegance, dignity, and confidence, is a form of self-love and self-care. A neatly cut, thoughtfully chosen hairstyle can lift your face, highlight your natural beauty, and gently soften any imperfections time may have left behind. The right hairstyle doesn't just transform your appearance, it has the power to lift your mood and renew your spirit. There are days when you wake up and your hair feels soft, voluminous, and effortlessly beautiful. On those days, everything feels different: the way you see yourself, and even the way others perceive you. It's that glow of quiet confidence and radiance, something no cream or makeup can replicate. When your hairstyle flatters your face and aligns with your current lifestyle, it becomes more than just hair. It becomes your companion in embracing life with energy and grace. It's a reminder that age does not dull our beauty, it simply refines it. More importantly, hair is a canvas through which every woman can express her personality and unique sense of style. You may love your naturally silver strands, choosing to embrace the honest elegance of aging. Or you may prefer warm hues like honey brown, vibrant red, or soft gold to add brightness and freshness to your look. Whatever you choose, your hair is your voice, affirming that you are still vibrant, still writing your story with enthusiasm and joy. No one can take that beauty from you because it springs from self-confidence, self-love, and self-acceptance. Especially for women aged 60 and above, the right hairstyle becomes even more crucial. It can create a more youthful appearance, brighten the face, and most importantly, preserve the grace and elegance that define mature beauty. A well-maintained haircut can subtly conceal signs of aging, enhance the skin's radiance, and help you feel vibrant each day. This goes beyond physical appearance. It reflects a deep, internal transformation, a renewed appreciation for life, for yourself, and an optimistic spirit open to the wonders that still await. Introducing 3 youthful hairstyles for women over 60. Once you reach your 60s, choosing the right hairstyle is about much more than just looks. It's about maintaining your self-assurance, your zest for life, and your desire to feel fresh and present. And you don't need overly complicated, high-maintenance styles to achieve this. On the contrary, simple, elegant, easy-to-maintain hairstyles are often the best choice for women who seek a refined yet effortless look. Among them, 3 classic, timeless styles are especially beloved by women over 60. These styles naturally rejuvenate your appearance in a soft and graceful way. 1. The soft layered bob. This is one of the most popular hairstyles for women over 60 who want a look that's both youthful and elegant, while still feeling natural and feminine. Unlike traditional blunt bobs, which can make the face look harsh or lifeless, the soft layered bob is delicately cut to create flowing layers. These soft layers provide movement, subtly lift the facial structure, and soften lines and contours. One of the biggest advantages of this style is how easy it is to manage. With a soft layered bob, you don't need to spend hours styling every day. A simple round brush and a touch of volumizing spray are often all it takes to bring out the hair's natural body. Even air drying can leave you with a serene, understated elegance, something many women over 60 deeply appreciate. This cut works especially well for fine or thinning hair, as the soft layers add the appearance of volume and life. And it pairs beautifully with every hair color, from natural gray and warm browns to golden blondes and fiery reds. The light layering reflects light in a way that makes the entire face look brighter and more youthful. 2. The pixie cut. Bold yet feminine. Once seen as a daring style reserved for the young, the pixie cut has become a symbol of self-assured elegance for mature women. It's short, chic, easy to care for, and above all, it expresses confidence and personality. Pixies are ideal for those seeking low-maintenance beauty. A bit of mousse or styling cream is enough to give the hair structure and lift. You can let it air dry for a relaxed, soft look, or smooth it down for a more polished, elegant vibe. This makes it perfect for women who want a clean, fuss-free style that fits into an active, independent lifestyle. Another highlight of the pixie cut is how it accentuates your facial features. With shorter sides and a slightly longer top, the cut draws attention to high cheekbones, bright eyes, and natural smiles, revitalizing the entire face. If you prefer a more delicate look, ask your stylist to soften the cut with gentle layers and side-swept bangs. This not only adds femininity, but can also subtly cover fine lines on the forehead or draw focus to the eyes. And don't underestimate the power of color. Pixie cuts look stunning, whether worn in natural gray or dyed in warm or bold tones, depending on your personality. Additionally, the pixie cut is a great choice for those living in warmer climates or dealing with menopausal heat. It's cool, light, and refreshing, keeping your neck and shoulders free and comfortable. However, finding a stylist who specializes in short hair for mature women is essential. A well-done pixie is like sculpture. It must match your bone structure, hair density, and personal style. Don't hesitate to bring photo references and communicate clearly with your stylist so that the final look feels truly yours. 3. The long bob, lob. Soft, modern elegance. The long bob, affectionately known as the lob, is a perfect hairstyle for women over 60 who want a look that is modern yet timeless, sophisticated yet easy to manage. Unlike the traditional bob, the lob has a slightly longer length, usually grazing the shoulders or the collarbone, offering more balance and a flattering silhouette for a variety of face shapes. What makes the lob especially appealing is its soft, flowing shape. Gentle waves or subtle curls bring natural movement to the hair, creating the illusion of volume and framing the face beautifully. This flowing motion softens angular lines, slims the jawline, and brightens the eyes, making it a wonderful choice for anyone who wants to look youthful without trying too hard. One of the lob's greatest strengths is its versatility. You can wear it parted in the middle for a clean, symmetrical look, or switch to a deep side part for added drama and volume. If you want a touch of softness, curtain bangs or wispy fringe can help hide fine lines on the forehead while keeping the overall style natural and harmonious. Color-wise, the lob works well with all shades. Natural gray hair catches the light with grace, while dyed hair, be it warm honey brown, soft copper red, or cool platinum, benefits from the cut's shape and movement, which enhances depth and vibrancy. Another reason why the lob is favored by mature women is its simplicity and care. It doesn't require daily styling. A lightweight conditioner focused on the ends helps prevent dryness and keeps the hair silky. After washing, let it air dry about 70%. Then use a round brush and blow dryer for gentle lift and smoothness. If desired, a curling wand can be used to create loose waves that frame the face delicately. Regular trims every 8 to 10 weeks keep the lob shape clean and prevent split ends. A helpful tip for preserving hair health is to sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase, which reduces friction and prevents tangling and breakage overnight. More than just a hairstyle, the lob carries a deeper meaning. It reflects the maturity, elegance, and quiet confidence of a woman who embraces who she is. It's not about hiding your age, but about celebrating the beauty that has been refined over time. The lob helps women feel relaxed and graceful while still looking polished and youthful. Hair care tips for women over 60. As we age, our hair changes along with our bodies. After 60, hair often becomes thinner, more fragile, and prone to dryness or breakage. This is a normal part of the aging process due to hormonal shifts and reduced oil production. But with gentle, mindful care, your hair can still look healthy, vibrant, and beautiful. First, choosing the right shampoo is essential. Many commercial shampoos contain harsh sulfates and chemicals that strip away natural oils and irritate the scalp. Instead, opt for sulfate-free shampoos enriched with moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, or oat protein. These are milder on the scalp, cleanse effectively, and help maintain the hair's natural moisture barrier. Also, avoid overwashing your hair. Washing 2-3 times a week is enough to keep it clean without drying it out. After shampooing, always follow with a lightweight conditioner, focusing on the ends to prevent splitting and dryness. Once or twice a week, treat your hair with a deep conditioning mask or nourishing oil look for ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or keratin for extra hydration and strength. A simple but powerful habit is scalp massage. Gently massaging your scalp for a few minutes each day stimulates blood circulation, which encourages healthy hair growth. Use your fingertips in circular motions, and if you wish, add a few drops of rosemary or diluted peppermint oil for an added boost. Nutrition plays a key role in hair health too. Hair is nourished from within, so make sure your diet includes enough protein, biotin, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like salmon, walnuts, eggs, and leafy greens support strong, shiny hair and reduce shedding over time. If you dye your hair, remember that colored hair needs extra attention. Use shampoos and conditioners formulated for color-treated hair to protect the shade and prevent dryness. Try not to dye too often, and always use a heat protectant before styling with hot tools like curling irons or straighteners. One small but effective tip: switch to silk or satin pillowcases. These materials reduce friction, minimizing hair breakage, tangling, and split ends while you sleep. You'll wake up with smoother, more manageable hair every morning. Most importantly, embrace the natural evolution of your hair. You don't need it to look like it did at 30. Your hair now tells your story, carries your experiences, and reflects your unique beauty. Hair care after 60 is not just a beauty routine, it's an act of self-respect and self-love. Be gentle, be patient, and treat your hair with the care it deserves so you can continue to shine at every stage of life. Age is not a barrier to beauty or confidence. Aging doesn't mean the end of beauty, it marks the evolution of it. In fact, age brings depth, grace, and a kind of radiance that only time can create. The 3 rejuvenating hairstyles we explored today, the elegant soft-layered bob, the confident and chic pixie cut, and the modern feminine long bob loball, carry the same uplifting message. Beauty doesn't fade with age, it transforms, evolves, and becomes even more meaningful. Hair care for women over 60 isn't just about maintaining a nice appearance, it's an act of self-love and self-respect. Healthy, soft, vibrant hair boosts confidence, brightens the face, and inspires joy from the inside out. That's why choosing the right haircut, using gentle products, and caring for your hair consistently can be truly empowering, especially in this beautiful stage of life. Remember, the goal is not to look younger, but to feel your best, most beautiful self. True beauty begins within. It comes from peace of mind, from a love of life, and from the radiant confidence that shines through when you feel comfortable in your own skin. Every woman deserves to feel that way at every age, in every season of life. So be kind to yourself. Give yourself those quiet, caring moments of beauty and nourishment. Let your hair be more than just a stylet. It be a symbol of your journey, your elegance, your resilience, and your joyful spirit. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more beauty secrets made just for women over 60. Wishing you radiant health, timeless beauty, and a heart full of joy always.